Everyone. Today we will see how to upgrade Alcatel Lucent Switch OS. So the switch which we are using to upgrade the OS is OS6850. It's a 24 port switch. Show hardware info. So here is the details of the switch. It is having a power PC8248 and the flash size is this. The RAM size is here. These things has to be checked before you are upgrading the OS because the time you download the new OS, the release notes also uh, uh, comes along with that operating system. So what you have to do, you will have to open the release notes and you'll have to find out the OS upgrade options and the details, and there you will have to verify whether the OS you are going to put on a switch the switch hardware is compatible and capable to upload and initiate that operating system. So this is very important. And U-boot variant will upgrade the U-boot variant as well. It is very old variant currently which is running, and mini boot variant also will upgrade. So step by step we will upgrade the U-boot, mini boot, and the OS. So here you can see the variants of the U-boot and the mini boot. To see the variant that is running for your in your switch, the OS variant, you will give the command show microcode working. So this is like your complete OS. It is having like 4 or 5 different files. Each file is .img extension, and this is the whole full bunch of your operating system. Each file is uh, performing something in the switch. So the K-base.image is actually the base software, and then this K2 OS is the main OS of your Alcatel switch, and the other uh, .img files, they are also like doing something. So all this joined together to run the latest software operating system in your Alcatel switch. So you'll have to download the full package. In that package, we'll be able to see these all files, and the U-boot files must have to be downloaded at the same time. And then we will start doing the upgrade process. So if I give one more command here, show microcode certified, you will see same image files are available in the certified directory as well. So as you can see, like currently, same variant is in the working directory and the same variant is running in the certified. So we will upgrade the OS. We'll put the new files using the FTP software in the working directory. So let's start our process. The tool that we'll be using for the FTP is the FileZilla. Let's locate the files first. As you can see here, I have downloaded the latest OS. It is 6.4.4, and currently if you'll see the running OS is pretty old. It is 6.1.3 something. So we'll directly jump on that on this variant. So what I have done, I have extracted this file. Here is the folder, same folder which I have extracted. In this folder, if I'll go, I will show you like these are the files here. So the files which are having the extension .img, those are actually the important one for us. That will be the one which will be updating. So let's go to FileZilla. Let's locate the path where we have it is in the desktop, as you can see. So let's go to desktop, and here we have the file folder. So if we'll go to this folder, we'll see the image and the other files are required. All files are available here. So let's connect the switch using the IP address My switch is running on the IP address, which is 192.168.1.254. And here I will give the username. This is the management IP of the switch, admin and password and connect. So don't save the password, press OK. OK. So critical error could not connect to the server. So why it didn't connect to the server? Because we have not allowed FTP as of now in our switch. As you can see in the logs here, authentication field, session 5, access type was FTP, session 5, user admin, session 5, IP address was this. This was the computer IP address from where FTP connection was tried to be made. So why it didn't happen? Because we'll have to configure AAA authentication FTP. Will have to allow this first in the switch local. So this command you will have to give, and then you will try to connect your switch and it will be connected. Okay. See, now it is connected. And here also in the logs, you will see session 6, new connection client, blah, 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 is connected. So yeah, right side, this is your switch. This is your file folder that you have downloaded from the Alcatel Lucent partner portal site. So as we can see, we will have to go to the working directory. In the flash, there are multiple directories, certified network. So we'll have to go to the working directory. In this working directory, we'll have to see the .img files. These all 4 5 files we'll have to replace. We'll have to replace with these one. So we'll select one by one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So total 6 files are there. These 6 files we will upload here. The time we will start the upload, it will say the same names are available in the working directory. So we'll just press overwrite. We want to overwrite. So we'll just click on overwrite. So the FTP is working and it is uploading the files that we have selected to the switch. Yeah, again, it says there is a same name file available in the switch. So we'll say overwrite. And in the logs, you will seeing the FTP logs that put flash working this, put flash working this. So it is uploading. Once it is finished, then we'll do the next step. It will take some time to upload all the files which we have selected into the working directory. Mhm. Once these files are uploaded, after that, it is uploaded now. After that, we will need to upload this file, which is .uboot, because we'll have to update the uboot as well. So this file we will upload in the flash directory only, and we can remove this file once the U-boot is updated. So I will select on right click and I will click on update. So I am keeping it in the flash directory here. All right. So this is done. Let's go to our switch. Now, if I will give the command show microcode working, so you will see the latest version is being copied in the working directory as we have copied it recently. Why it is not here? It must be here. Show microcode. Oh, sorry. We'll have to reboot the switch first, and then we will see give this command, and we'll see. So let's just reload from reload working. No rollback timeout. Yes. So let the switch reboot once it is back, then we'll see what is. As of now, you can see it was 6.1.5. Let's see what happens after the switch is rebooted. So once the switch is in the rebooting process, you will see here, you will notice installing flash working ksecu.mh. So once the switch is rebooted, it will start installing all those files which we have uploaded. So let's keep watching what is happening here. Once the switch is fully loaded, we'll see what are the changes in the OS has been done after the restart. Okay, guys, our switch is back. Let's just put the username and password. SWITCH, and let's see what variant is running in the working directory now. Show microcode working. So now you will see here the release is changed to the latest variant which we have uploaded recently, 6.4.4. But what is in the certified directory as of now? Show microcode certified. You will see the older variant is still there in the certified directory. So in the certified directory, the older variant which was 6.1.3 is there, and in the working directory where we have just uploaded and installed the new variant, that is here. So we need to synchronize both of the directories, and for that we will just write memory flash synchro. Now since we have updated new OS, the syntax is changed a little bit. Previously it was write memory something, and now it is changed to write memory flash synchro. In the OS release 6.4, the syntax has changed. So let's just give this command, write memory flash synchro, and here we are. Let it just, it will take a little some time. Why? Because all the files that we have uploaded in the working directory will have to be copied in the certified directory also. And after that, the switch has to verify that the upload has been performed properly and all the files are like, in a good state. So I have one suggestion. In the meantime, I will show you whenever you are upgrading the Alcatel switch, always remember that your FileZilla is configured or is set to transfer default transfer type is binary. Remember this, it must have to be in the binary. It is in auto, it is fine. But I would suggest always it must have to be in the binary option. I'm changing it to the auto. Why? Because uh, for me it is fine. Okay, here we are. It is, as you can see, the messages are there, completed, all uploads and the synchronizations are completed. Let's see, show running directory. And here, if you will see the working and the certified directories, working is the one from where we are running the switch, and it says it is synchronized. Like the working and the certified directories, both are synchronized. Very nice. So VLAN 10, just wanted to see if the VLAN commands are changed or not. Port. All right. Some of the commands would have been changed. Okay. After upgrading the OS, one thing is still pending, which is U-boot. We need to update the U-boot. First, we'll have to verify whether we have uploaded all the required files for the U-boot. Since we uploaded this file already, which is kminboot.uboot, and here it is. Yeah, it is uploaded. There must be one more file, this one, kuboot. You have to upload this one as well. I guess it is not uploaded. So in the same directory, you will have to put in the flash directory, the same place where you have uploaded, the same directory where you have uploaded your U-boot. I guess we'll have to reconnect our switch and we'll have to give the command again because the new OS is installed and I think the switch is in its default configuration. Yeah, see, all the VLANs are gone. Whatever configuration was there, everything is gone. So what we'll do first, we'll create a interface, and now we'll create an interface for the VLAN 1 only, since no other VLAN is available and all the ports are in the are in VLAN 1. So let's just create it quickly. IP interface, and I'm just putting 123 as of now because it is a temporary IP interface which I'm creating. Address 192.168.1.254, mask 255.255.255.0. VLAN is 1, if index is 1. Okay, if index is 1. Okay, so at least our interface is up. Show IP interface. So yeah, so it is up. and we are able to ping to our 192.168.1.10, which is our IP. Yeah, we are able to ping. So let's just quickly connect. And one more command we'll have to give now again, AAA authentication, FTP local. So now we'll do the FileZilla quickly, quick connect. So now we are connected back. And let's see in the flash directory if we have like kmini boot is available. And this file ku-boot is also, it must go in the flash directory. Okay, so these two files you must have in your flash directory. Now we will give the command. You can disconnect it once the files are uploaded. Okay, now we'll give the command to update the u-boot and the mini boot. Update u-boot all. So it will erase the flash, it will rewrite the flash, and after that it said done. So it means like the u-boot is updated. So now we'll have to update complete. Now we'll have to update mini boot all. So this house also has to be updated. So both files are already we have uploaded in the flash directory. And remember, it must have to be uploaded only in the flash directory. Then only these commands will work. Otherwise, no. Okay, so this one is also done. And after that, if you wish, you can remove these two files once like this is done. But I would suggest to remove those files after the reboot. So let's just reload the switch once, from reload working, no rollback timeout. So once, oh, sorry, before doing that, verify that your directories are synchronized. Show running directories. And yeah, it is not synchronized. So let's just synchronize it first. Uh, Write memory flash synchro. So, so this is very important. Before reboot, after updating the U-boot and the mini boot, you have to restart the switch. Before restarting the switch, you must verify that your running working directory and the certified directory both are synchronized, because whatever information has recently been updated in the working directory, that must go in the certified directory before the reboot. Okay, it is done. Reload working, no rollback, timeout. Rollback, timeout. Yes. So now the switch is restarting. Okay, so the switch is back. Let's log in. And yeah, show microcode working, show microcode certified. So both directories are having the same version of the operating system. And if we go to show hardware info, you will see that U-boot and mini boot, they are also upgraded to the latest version. This is the latest one since OS 6850 switch is end of life. Now there is another model uh, that is OS 6860, which is now in the market from the Alcatel. But yeah, still, if you wanna upgrade to the latest one, this is the way how you can do it. I will quickly show you the web view as well, how to access the web view of Alcatel Lucent Switch. So first one thing that has to be enabled is the HTTP enable, HTTP server enable. Sorry, HTTP server. That's it, and press enter. So HTTP server will be enabled, and then AAA authentication HTTP local. So we'll have to allow the authentication as well. And now I will open the Chrome and I will type the IP address of the switch. show IP interface. Yeah, 1.254 is the IP. 192.168.1.254. And here we are, admin, switch is the password. And this is the web view of Alcatel Lucent Switch. So here you can see the system information and other CMM related information, OS, whatever it is running. Then you can you can even manage your switch using the web view. I don't personally recommend it, but if it is fine for you to use the web interface, you can do that. So all the options which are available there in your CLI, those are available here also. So if we go to the hardware, you will see like the model, what is the part number, what is the chassis, how many ports are there. Here you will see the number of resets, how many resets happened. Remember, this is the restart, not the other reset. And hardware board temperature is 27, threshold is set to this. Then you can see the other options. Health, in the health tab, you can check the threshold, the current temperature of your CPU, your memory, your trans receive, what is the status of that. So yeah, so a lot of information related to monitoring you can do from here. Then layer 2 features are available. You want to enable something related to layer 2, you can do that. Policy, then the security, and then the system options are also available here. In the system, there is system management. You can manage your system from here as well. Your time, you can set the time, install images. Even you can upload or even upgrade the operating system through WebView also. I don't personally recommend it, but you can do that as well. So in this area, you can get the option to upgrade the operating system. You can use this file transfer directly from here, but I always recommend to do it using the CLI and the FTP tool. So, okay, hope you would have got some pretty good knowledge related to Alcatel Lucent OS 6850. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye.